Welcome back to the Car Update 2026. The BMW M5 feels like one of those cars that doesn't need introduction, yet every time it returns, it still manages to surprise you. It carries a name that has been respected for decades, and in this new generation, that legacy feels stronger, more advanced, and more emotional than ever before. When you first see it, the car doesn't scream for attention. Instead, it carries a quiet confidence. The design is sharper, more refined, and more focused on performance than ever. The front end is dominated by the signature BMW kidney grille, now more sculpted and integrated into the bodywork. It doesn't feel oversized or forced, it feels like it belongs there, feeding air into a machine that is built for serious power. The headlights are slim, aggressive, and intelligent in their design. They stretch into the body lines, giving the car a focused expression, almost like it's always watching the road ahead. The LED signature lighting adds a futuristic touch, especially at night when the car comes alive in a completely different way. As you move around the front, you start noticing how every surface has been shaped with purpose. The bumper is wide and aerodynamic, with large air intakes that are not just for styling, but for cooling a high-performance engine. The hood is long and slightly raised, with subtle muscular lines that hint at the beast sitting underneath. Walking along the side of the 2026 BMW M5, the proportions immediately feel perfect. It sits low, wide, and planted. The stance alone tells you this is not a regular luxury sedan. This is a performance machine disguised in elegance. The wheel arches are filled with large performance wheels, giving the car a powerful road presence. The side skirts are subtle but effective, helping guide airflow while enhancing the sporty character. The body lines flow smoothly from front to rear, creating a sense of motion even when the car is standing still. You can clearly see that BMW has focused heavily on aerodynamics in this generation. Nothing feels unnecessary. Every curve, every angle, every detail serves a purpose. It's not just about looking good, it's about performing better at high speeds. Moving to the rear, the design becomes even more aggressive. The taillights are slim and modern, stretching across the back in a clean horizontal layout. The trunk design is slightly raised, adding a subtle spoiler effect that improves stability at speed. Below that, the quad exhaust system immediately reminds you what this car is capable of. It's not just a luxury sedan, it's a high-performance machine built to deliver serious power. The rear diffuser adds a final touch of aggression, helping with airflow and stability. Now when you step inside the 2026 BMW M5, the experience completely changes. Outside, it's aggressive. Inside, it's refined, modern, and deeply luxurious. The cabin is wrapped in premium materials, soft leather, Alcantara, carbon fiber trims, and brushed metal finishes. Everything feels carefully crafted. Nothing feels cheap or out of place. It's a space designed not just for driving, but for experiencing every moment on the road. The seats immediately stand out. They are performance-oriented, but extremely comfortable at the same time. They hold your body firmly during aggressive driving, but also provide enough cushioning for long-distance comfort. You can adjust them in multiple ways, and in higher trims, you get heating, ventilation, and memory functions. In front of the driver, the dashboard is dominated by a large curved digital display. It combines the instrument cluster and infotainment system into one seamless unit. The graphics are sharp, the interface is smooth, and everything feels modern and responsive. The system provides access to navigation, vehicle settings, driving modes, entertainment, and smartphone connectivity. Everything is designed to be intuitive, so you don't get distracted while driving. When you press the start button, the real personality of the 2026 BMW M5 begins to show itself. This generation introduces a hybrid performance system, combining a powerful twin-turbo V8 engine with electric assistance. The result is instant torque, explosive acceleration, and a driving experience that feels more advanced than ever before. The moment you accelerate, the car responds instantly. There is no hesitation. The electric motor fills in the gaps while the V8 delivers its deep, powerful sound. It creates a unique combination of silence and aggression, refinement, and raw energy. As speed builds, the car feels incredibly stable. The chassis is tuned for precision, and the all-wheel drive system ensures maximum grip in all conditions. Whether you are driving in the city or pushing it on an open highway, the car feels confident and controlled. Steering response is sharp and direct. Every movement feels connected. You don't feel like you are driving a heavy luxury sedan. You feel like you are controlling a precision machine. The suspension system plays a huge role in balancing comfort and performance. In normal driving mode, the ride is smooth and comfortable, absorbing road imperfections easily. But when you switch to sport mode, everything tightens up. The car becomes more responsive, more aggressive, and more focused. Braking is equally impressive. The stopping power is strong, consistent, and confidence-inspiring. Even at high speeds, the car remains stable under hard braking. Technology inside the 2026 BMW M5 is another major highlight. Advanced driver assistance systems help with lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, parking assistance, and semi-autonomous driving features. These systems make daily driving easier without taking away the joy of driving. The sound system delivers a premium audio experience, filling the cabin with clear and rich sound. Combined with the quietness of the interior, it creates a perfect environment for long journeys. Fuel efficiency is improved compared to previous generations. Thanks to the hybrid system, short trips can even be done on electric power alone, making the car more practical for everyday use. When it comes to price, the 2026 BMW M5 sits in the premium luxury performance segment, expected to start around $120,000 and go higher depending on options and packages. But numbers alone don't explain this car, because the 2026 BMW M5 is not just about speed or luxury. It's about balance. It's about having a car that can be calm when you want it to be, and wild when you need it to be. It's a car that can take you to work in comfort during the week, and then completely transform into a high-performance machine on the weekend. And that dual personality is what makes it so special. It doesn't force you to choose between comfort and performance. It gives you both.